Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by mounting storage and confirming the file path so you can access the H5 directly. First, run from Google. Colab import files and from Google. Colab import drive, then drive. Mount /content/drive. Once done, list directories with ls to confirm the exact path. Install h5py if it's not present. Pip install h5py. This ensures the runtime has the library and the notebook can read the file. Now you're ready to open it programmatically. Now you open and inspect the HDF5 container using h5py. You'll do import h5py and f equals h5py. File /content/drive/my drive/your file. H5R. This gives you a handle to explore. Use list F keys to discover groups and datasets, and then ds equals fgroup/dataset to get the dataset object. Read data into memory with data equals ds, or stream slices for large arrays. Make sure to finish by saving or converting the extracted arrays so you can use them outside Colab. For example, import numpy as np and np. Save /content/drive/my drive/out. npy data or pd. Data frame data to CSV, if tabular. Once done, close handles and, if needed, drive, flush, and unmount. If you encounter errors, make sure the path is correct and you have read permission. Verify H5py version compatibility, and check available RAM. Large datasets may require streaming slices instead of full reads to avoid crashes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.